Pastor Ruknuddin Henry Pio, better known as Pastor Rukni, is 43 years. He is an Arab Christian missionary. He was born a Christian in Basra, Iraq, and later on brought up in Kuwait. He has postgraduated Masters in Science from the University of Bombay. He has had varied experience in teaching, including computer education and training, teaching the Arabic language, consultancy for computerization and development of computer software, programs in Arabic. He has been in the field of conveying the message of Christianity for over a decade. He is a Bible teacher and preacher with the India Gospel Mission. He is also a renowned faith.
Good evening, Brother Rukni. I am going to ask you a simple question, but it is not from the subject because you have not touched the subject at all. To my knowledge, you have spoken about, many things, Bibles and Paul's teaching and everything, but you have not talked more than 5 minutes on the subject. So whatever you have spoken, I am going to ask the question on that only. You said Moses has written 5 books. The 5 books of Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers and Deuteronomy, these were written by Moses. If Moses has written the books, how he would have said that no one knows my death over against the death pair, and Moses was 120 years. How is it possible? So the person, because you know that the Bible is not the original English language written Bible. It is from the Koine, Greek and Arabic. Aramaic it may be. Hebrew and Aramaic. It is that. It's a translation. The Bible is a translation. So whatever you have written, something you said 2 angels remove the stone. There you have written angels. In the original Greek, it is the word zen. Zen you have translated into angels. When it comes to the question of disciples, John's, then you said disciples. No, you are playing with the words. Now you tell me, which version of the Bible is correct? You have different versions. And what language is the Bible is mentioned? I don't think it is English. Because if I am alive...
Thank you, brother.
No.
You put your question in 2 sentences.
It's a very serious question because I have not understood anything from the pastor about the subject. Because he has spoken about the Moses, Jesus, and this and that. No, I have to ask the question accordingly. You have to relax the rules, please. So this is the question. I'm going to ask you, what language is in the Bible? Whether it is English or is some other language. Suppose if I am alive, I am speaking something like past tense, you have to explain to me what language is that.
Hello.
No, you can use.
I'll borrow your mic. Hello. Brother has asked a very complicated question.
No, it's a simple question.
And one day we'll go for a chai wala, we'll sit together and discuss it together.
Come close.
No, it's a simple question. It's a simple question. Which version is a true version and what language Moses has spoken? Moses being alive, he said, I was dead.
Brother,
and nobody knows my tomb.
Brother, let the audience decide whether his answer is right or wrong or whether he's given the enough answer or not.
No.
Brother, you cannot be the judge alone.
No, I'm not a judge.
He has given the answer.
Let me finish.
Brother,
give me only 2 minutes.
Brother, you can...
He said, Bible is the mirror. Bible is the mirror.
Brother, listen, brother, we appreciate your enthusiasm. But you should understand our rules.
Decide for yourself.